welcome back to my channel. So if you guys are new to my channel, hey, my name's Rebecca, welcome. Today is the day that I'm gonna be showing you guys the makeup that I did on my surprise proposal day. I am shook and I had no idea about, but I actually liked how it turned out, oddly enough. On July 14th, I got engaged to my best friend, the love of my life. It was the best day ever. And it was actually a surprise. I actually did a vlog, a surprise proposal vlog with him. We created together. Days leading up to it, the whole shebang. We put it into a vlog and we posted it for you guys. So if you guys haven't seen that, I'm gonna link it down below so that you guys can check it out. Give it a click. Back to the makeup tutorial. So today I decided to do a makeup tutorial on the look that I did at my surprise proposal. Not knowing he was gonna propose to me, I had no clue. When we got there and he proposed to me, there was actually a photographer hidden that was taking pictures of us before the proposal, and after the proposal, he stayed about 2 hours to take pictures of us. Shout out to Ryan Williams. I'll insert his handle down below and his website. He's unbelievable. The view was like unbelievable. I'm gonna insert some photos here so you guys can check it out. I'll just insert a few photos. Like the view was, like I was shook. Like when we pulled up to the park, to the Grand Canyon, we both like gasped. Like my heart dropped and we were both like,
oh my God, like it was stunning.
I know this is like a fear of everyone, or all the women out there that are gonna get proposed to, and men that are gonna get proposed to and don't wanna look bad, and you don't know if it's coming, but you think it's coming, but you're not sure, and you're like, oh, like what do I do? Like, guys, play it safe. Go with this look. It was stunning in pictures. I went for a more natural look with some highlight, falsies. Morning of, he was like, not saying anything, letting me get ready.
Baby, I love you. Baby, I love you. Say it again. I love you. Mwah.
Usually he's like, okay, back, let's go, we gotta go, like kind of pushing me out the door. But he didn't say anything. I think he just wasn't bothered that day. He didn't care. And obviously he knew what was coming, so he kind of wanted me to get ready and look nice. If you guys are interested in seeing how I recreated my surprise proposal look, stay tuned. And if you guys aren't subscribed yet, guys, go ahead, just subscribe. It's down below, it's free, and we're just gonna have a good time here. So to start off, we're gonna use some moisturizer. This one is great because it has SPF in it, and I knew I was gonna be in the sun all day going to the Grand Canyon, so I thought that this was great to have on our skin just to protect it and just feel really moisturized. Next, to prime my face, I'm using the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Face Primer. This is the dewy one. I don't usually go dewy, but I thought this would be really nice paired with my foundation just to give us an overall glow. I'm going to go ahead and prime my eyelids. I'm using the Born This Way multi-use concealer. This one's in the shade Nude. I love it. It's long lasting and it just really gets rid of all my redness on my eyelids. To set that concealer in place, I'm just going to be using the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder. This is one of my favorite powders of all time. This one just makes the eyeshadow last all day long and really gets rid of all the creases. So I knew that I was going to be in the sun and I knew I needed something durable, so I went for this one. So for eyeshadow today, I'm using, of course, the Soft Glam palette. I love this palette. I used this one in my last video as well. We're just gonna go with something super simple. I'm taking the shade Tempera and I'm just gonna be highlighting my brow bone. And then I'm gonna go in with the shade Orange Soda, I believe, and I'm just gonna be, cutting out my crease with this shade only. I didn't use any other shades. I popped some Tempera on my eyelids just in the center just to give me a little bit of a glow. But this was it, guys. I didn't go complicated or dramatic at all for this one. I wanted to keep it nice and natural, and I just loved the way this looked in pictures. To prep my eyes for falsies, I'm just going to coat my top lashes with my favorite mascara so far. This is the Lash Sensational Mascara by Maybelline. For falsies, I'm going to be applying my favorite lashes. These are the Huda Beauty in Style Samantha No. 7 lashes. These look so good in pictures. So I went in with another primer for my face. This is the Professional primer by Benefit. This stuff is amazing. It clogs your pores really nicely. It makes your skin so smooth and it just looks so nice in pictures. For foundation today, I'm going to be making my own little cocktail. So I'm adding in the Maybelline Matte and Poreless Foundation, which I already love, with the Covergirl Tru Blend Foundation. If you guys haven't tried this foundation, try it out. This one is so good for oily skin. It really holds those oils in all day long. So I knew we were going to be out in the sun all day, and I just wanted to add that one in because I want it to be oil-free all day long. To conceal and highlight today, I'm using, of course, the new Born This Way concealer. I love this stuff. This is been my go-to since I bought it. I haven't used this stuff. I haven't used the Tarte Shape Tape since I bought this, so that's how good it is. It does a really good job at covering any kind of blemishes, any redness, and the coverage is there. It's really good. It's lightweight, and honestly, guys, it does not crease. Like, you could wear this without setting it, and you would be fine. So to set the concealer today, I'm just going to go in with one of my other favorite products. This is the Maybelline Loose Setting Powder. This is in the shade Fair Clair. I like it because it just brightens up the under eye really nicely. Lately, I haven't really been baking. I've just been more blending it into my skin just to make it one with my skin. I really enjoy doing this. I think it just makes you look less powdery and just more flawless, and the finish is amazing. For bronzer today, I'm just going to be using the Too Faced Milk Chocolate Matte Bronzer in the shade Soleil. As you can see, as I'm applying this, it just blends out so beautifully. There's no creases. There's no harsh edges. I love it. It's quick and easy just to give us a nice bronze overall tan look. I'm also going to be topping off my bronzer today with the Milani Baked Bronzer. I don't remember the shade, but I will link it down below for you guys in the description box. This just adds a little bit more sparkle and a little bit more of that like glowy goddess look. For blush, I'm using the Milani Baked Blush in the shade Dolce Pink. This is just such a beautiful corally pinky color for summer, and I love it. To set my makeup down today, I'm going to be using the Skin Active Garnier Facial Mist in the scent Rose. This is just a really nice way to lock up all the makeup and blend all the powders and foundation together just to make us more seamless and make our makeup last even longer. To clean up my bronzer today, I'm just going to be applying a little bit of the Maybelline Loose Finishing Powder underneath my cheekbones, just carving them out just to give us a more snatched and clean look. So now for my favorite step, I love this step because I just feel like it ties the whole makeup look together. I'm using the Laura Mercier Matte Radiance Baked Powder. This is in the shade Highlight 01. I'm going to be applying this all on the high points on my face, so the bridge of my nose, the tip of my nose, my cheeks, my forehead, my chin, and then just going to be applying a little bit more and intensifying the highlight on my brow bone and the inner corners of my eyes. For lip liner, I'm going to be going in with the Maybelline Color Sensational Lip Liner. This is in the shade Totally Toffee, and this is totally my favorite color. So for the last step in the tutorial, I am applying the Milani Matte Innocence Lipstick, and this is just such a beautiful nude shade.
105 is the number that comes to my head when I think of all the...
That completes this makeup tutorial. If you guys like this look, then please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and just comment down below if you actually would like go for a look like this. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, thank you for stopping by. Thank you for your support, and I just want to take a moment and thank each and every one of you who shared so much love and support for our surprise proposal vlog. It's so appreciated. You have no idea. It was the best day ever, and your love means so much to me. So thank you so much for everyone who commented, called, liked the video, the pictures. So thank you so much, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.